morning again. Hey, look who sprouted some legs. Pulled out the landing gear on this. Just to change it up a bit. Snow is all gone. The water's still frozen. So, kind of good morning to everyone. Rick, Khanh her regards, as do everybody else. Everybody. Now I haven't tried this out yet with my differential, but oh, I should mention, I'll show you afterwards, but I'm running one of the lithium polymer batteries, one of the 3 cells. So I hope I got the CG right. We're gonna find out real soon. I haven't tried this out, so. Looks good so far. What's that? Oh, dead on. It's perfect as far as CG goes. And as usual, this will be the 2nd or 3rd cycle for these batteries. So they are showing up well. And I charged these yesterday. Again, I'm not charging them fully. And I don't believe that's necessary for the first few charges. He's definitely got some good punch. It's fortuitous in that there's just a slight breeze today, and I added a little bit of weight to this. I mean, with my subsequent repair, that was a couple of grams, but what I did do, it's a little bit squirrely without a nose wheel and using differential. So anyways, I added a skid plate to the bottom on the bottom because I figured the compression landing, especially with a bigger battery like this, it's going to be harsh on it. But my nose wheel, the same technology as it's the same methodology as I did with the B38. What I did was I used EVA foam to create almost like an elastic. The theory behind it is that the wheel will find its center and turn with the differential thrust. Of course, these gear can be pulled off in minutes. Now I'm going to fly this to the timer, and then we'll give it a battery check. There's the crosswind. Big touch and go. Squirrely touch and go. It's just a matter of getting used to the turning. I have this set on 100% differential, so. I just have to get used to the turning, the ability for it, and it can turn. So I'm not seeing any difference between this and a 2200, other than it flies a little heavier. That's about it. Throttle back. Oh. I am dealing with some wind here, so that's working great. Okay, so years ago I had this on landing gear because I was a chicken to take it up on the water. Yeah, I got a crosswind coming right over the hill now. Yeah, I was chicken to fly it on the water, and then I realized it is the best float plane I have for water. That was a bit brutal. Oh, that wind's picking up good now. Okay, there's the timer. So let's, oh boy. The wind's coming in. Ooh, wow. I wish I could show you the wind, because it can be really challenging, and I'm lucky. I'm lucky to have the place I'm flying, but boy is this ever a challenge. When that wind comes down here, it creates this crazy swirl in the ditches, and you just have to be there to understand it. Okay, bear with me, folks. This is going to be quick. All I want to do is check my landing gear is holding up these brutal landings. Wow. Okay, what do we got? Where are we? I know I should let it rest. 1.62. So that means, yeah. So after that rests, it's just, you know, it's gonna go forever. And go forever, it's not gonna happen, because guess what? My fingers are freezing. I was gonna take my F-18 out, and the sun's just in a crazy position right now. It's actually blinding me. The other things I have to do today, if I get an early start, will be even better. So, and then tomorrow it's the big Rowdy's Gala. That'll be fun. And Carm's gonna perform. She's going to sing a couple songs. God help her if she asks me to do it. Anyways, we'll see you later. Take care, everybody.